Let's learn Dose of You Baby. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dose of You Baby. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a diagonal step together, step touch. As you do it, you want to slightly open your body to the left. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left next to your right, step your right foot forward into the diagonal, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left, and you want to have your body slightly angled to the right. We're now going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right, opening your body to the left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a back together back touch, keeping our body angled to the left. You're going to step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, step your right next to your left, step your left foot back and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal, angling your body to the right, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot into the left forward diagonal, squaring up to the 12 o'clock wall and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Slightly angled to the left, you're stepping back with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine with a cross. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. We're now going to point our right toe to the right side, step our right foot forward and slightly over our left, point your left toe to the left side and step your left foot forward and slightly over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine with a cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And when you do this, you want to slightly have your hips angled to the left, because we're going to do a jazz box, crossing your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then you want to step your left foot slightly forward. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step into the diagonal. So it's diagonal, step together, step, touch, forward diagonal touch, back diagonal touch. Now back, back, together, back, touch, back diagonal touch, forward diagonal touch, side, behind, side, cross, point, cross, step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, jazz, box, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, going into the right diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance will end facing 6 o'clock on your half pivot, quarter pivot, jazz box step. And there's a few extra counts before the song completely ends. I just make a half turn over my left shoulder, stepping my right foot to the right side, and I pose. If you would like to end facing 12 o'clock, that is a good option to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're stepping into the diagonal, doing right diagonal together, diagonal touch, diagonal forward touch, diagonal back touch. Now back together, back touch, back diagonal touch, forward diagonal touch. Side behind, side cross, point, cross, step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, jazz box, step, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal step. Together, step, touch, diagonal step, touch, back, diagonal step, touch, back, together, back, touch, forward touch, grapevine cross, point cross, half pivot, quarter pivot, jazz box, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, I didn't put any styling other than the angling of your body on the step sheet. If you would like to add some extra stuff in, feel free. What I like to do is when I'm doing my diagonal step together, step touch, I like to kind of roll my hips on these back together. And when I do my step touch, I kind of like do a little bit of a body roll on my step touches. Feel free to do that as well. You can also add in some snaps. So when you're doing your step touches, you can snap on your touches. When you're doing your point cross, so we finish our grapevine, you can point and snap both hands out to the side about hip height, step, point, step. And on the jazz box, you can kind of shimmy, or you can kind of like wrap your hands around your body. Feel free to add anything extra in that you would like that would make the dance more fun for you. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Dose of You Baby. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Tripped and fell on down the stairs. Don't know if I'll find them things